Welcome back. We ended this year with a very bumper listing of Unimec Aerospace, and the fact that the primary market activity is not dulling anytime soon because market regulator SEBI has approved the IPO of Ather Energy and 4 other companies. Rachna is here with more details on what the primary market is lined up for in 2025. Rachna.
Well, SEBI has approved the much-anticipated IPO of Ather Energy. The company filed its DRHP in September 2024 with a total IPO size estimated at 4,000 crore rupees. This includes a fresh issue of 3,100 crore and an offer for sale of about 2.2 crore shares at an estimated value of about 660 crore rupees. There's also a pre-IPO plan of 620 rupees, which will then be deducted from the fresh issue. Post the IPO is where it gets interesting. Ather plans to allocate the funds towards expanding its operations, about 927 crore, which will be used to set up a new manufacturing facility in Maharashtra. About 387 crore will go towards debt repayment, and about 750 crores will be invested in R&D. About 300 will be directed towards marketing initiatives and more. The selling shareholders in the IPO include Ather's promoters, GIC, NIF, the second one, and the Internet Fund. But Hero MotoCorp, which has been Ather's largest shareholder at about 37.2%, will not be participating in the offer for sale. With this IPO, Ather will be the first pure-play EV two-wheeler maker in the listed space. It goes head-on with Ola Electric, Bajaj and TVS, which are the legacy players. But if we look at it closely with Ola, both the companies are still in growth phase and focused on ramping up their sales and manufacturing capacities, with Ola holding a market share of about 18%, while Ather is at about 14%. As of FY24, Ather Energy reported a revenue of 1,753 crore rupees, which is a significant figure, but still far behind Ola Electric's 5,000 crore mark, which has Ola, of course, has a larger production facility. It has sold about 3.29 lakh units compared to Ather's 1 lakh units in FY24. However, despite these large numbers, both the companies continue to grapple with significant losses. Ather's net loss for FY24 was at 1,060 crore rupees, while Ola's loss was slightly higher at 1,500 crore rupees. In terms of profitability as well, Ather has a gross margin of about 9% compared to Ola's 12.58%. This reflects the capital-intensive business models with high costs associated with production, scaling operations, and much more. But apart from Ather, SEBI has approved 4 other IPOs as well. First is Cholos Bangalore, a pure-play luxury hospitality chain which will be looking to list at about 1,000 crore rupees. Oswal Pumps also plans an IPO and to raise about 500 crore rupees. Apart from that, there's Quality Power Electrical Equipments that is also gearing up for an IPO at an issue size of about 300 crore rupees. And finally is Leela Hotels, a well-known hospitality brand that is set to raise about 1,500 crore through its IPO.
All right.
Thank you so much, Rachna. So 2025, we are expecting the IPO pipeline or the primary market activity pipeline to be as robust as it was in 2024 itself. Well, a couple of